Right, so we've got 11:30. Off we go. Hang on, just to put this little side stand strap. So I just took a couple of pictures or videos. A1. Also discovered I got a South African mobile signal. So I just sort of just checked WhatsApps and mail and things like that. And confirmed I got some oil issue going on, so my suspicion now is that it's a clutch cover gasket. So there's a bit of oil lost, but it's still sitting around halfway. So nothing too dramatic, I just got to keep my eye on it. About 20 k's out of Oranjes. Let's see what's going on up ahead. Also was in touch with Carla, my Airbnb host in Alexander Bay, so that was also good with having signal, just to keep her abreast. So apparently the border closes at 10 p.m, so I mean there's lots of time. And she says she's on duty, so maybe she's well, I guess she's a border official on the South African side. So that's gonna be the high risk sand dunes. Alright, so they're busy telling me to stop because he says I can go. So they're busy just getting rid of the sand on the road. Interesting. Oh, back half missing. Yeah, so I was in touch with Carla. What else did I say? I was saying that, oh damn, it's got to be the Atlantic down there somewhere, coming close. I can see a bit of a bridge in the distance, which is the border post bridge. Bye-bye Namibia. That's quite dramatic, eh? North to south. Don't know how many thousand k's to. You know? But like very doable because I did it in little chunks, but I didn't even notice it. guess they added these extra ones here because it's sagging too much maybe. Someone probably banged it at one point. Hello, river. Ooh, some buck. I'm going to pass the buck just now. Springbokkies! Springbokkies! My goeie liewe hemel. Zadel. And ostriches. And bicycles. Watch out for bicycles. And wind. So that was the only little bit of road wobble, that one piece over there. There's an ostrich on the left, I saw. Got it. K's out. Something going on in the distance. I mean, that's got to be the border turn. Breeze, I think. Can feel the wind picking up from ahead of me. Right, there we go. Welcome Bay. No. Parks and Wildlife. Maybe that's the end of that Springbokke. So there's the bridge across to South Africa. My trip is actually happening, guys. I'm a little bit pinch me. I'm not sure this is real. Right, I'm RSA. Ik ga naar Ranjeman toe. Coming back to this thing a bit later. Welcome to Ranjemund. Going past customers. Richard, you got to remember this road, I guess, 100 times. Shepherd's Lodge. Hey! Hey! What the hell's going on up there? It was one of the places I looked at too. When I was looking for accommodation. And I thought maybe I'll stay this side tonight. Cross in the morning, because You know, I usually like to be close to the border and get an early push through in case it's busy, but this border very quiet apparently anyway, so 6 k's to Oranjes. Dale, dang ta ta ta. What's that? Prawn farming maybe. Seaweed. Horses as well. Yeah. Oh, my Stoop Lodge. Yes, I saw that one too. Sure. Not sure if you can see in the video the plane in the distance. Ronemund airstrip. Switching off for a minute.